Grandpa's still here. Where are you going? Watch your muscle, Wiley. Lower the level. Snap. Get out of that. Get out of that. Head position, Wiley. Head position. Go.
There it is. Whoa, there it is. Good job.
All right, we're going to push to round 3 here. We will take a break at round 4. We will take a break after round 4. Round 3, I need 80, 86, 92 to the bear pad. 80, 86, 92 to the bear pad.
Chop it. Now lace the leg. Lace the leg. Keep the leg lace. Keep the leg lace. Chop that arm. Chop it.
He's down low by his wrist, Riley. There you go. Get low.
There you go.
Get on that wrist, Riley. Get low on the wrist.
Pop it up. Pop it up. Head lever. There you go. Use the leg. Pop the hip. Lace the leg, Riley. Lace it. There you go. Keep the pressure. Power half. Lace the leg. Pressure. Pressure. Come on, Riley. Riley. Right here. Come on, let's go. Riley. Quick, quick. Watch the roll. Watch the roll. Stay on it. Stay on it. That's it. Lace that ankle. Lace the ankle. There you go. Now work it. Work it. Lace it. Chop the arm. Chop that arm. There you go. Power half. Keep working. Try to catch that inside wrist. There you go. Catch that 2 on 1. 2 hands on that one wrist.